today I have the perfect dimmable LED light, or the floodlight, and you can control this with Alexa and also with Google, right, Menina?
Yes, correct. And it's dimmable too.
Yes, this one is actually reading the specs right now. This is it's good for 100 to 240 volts LED, 3000K, and only use 20 watts. This is perfect. We already have one in the living room, so this will be our second one.
Yes.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change camera, and let me show you what we get. We're going to set it up this right now. All right, so let's see what we get. Then we're going to assemble it real fast so I can install this in my living room.
I really like the design because it's quite minimalist, and in my opinion it goes with like many types of decorations you might have.
Yeah, so it comes with this. So this is pretty simple. You just put this together. We can take that later on. Those
Step one, take all the bags out. Step one, take all the bags out.
Take this too.
Yeah.
And
you know what? It has a weighted base, so it ensures they will stay in place.
It has what?
A weighted base, so the base is very heavy.
Yes,
so
the one we have.
they cannot knock it.
Yes, so we put this together, and this is nice. This you touch here, you can turn it on, turn it off, and also if you let it press, it dims all the way down to 5%, right?
Yes, that's awesome because you can put it super low.
There. That's where it sends the power. It's pretty cool the way it's done. And the power goes through here, so we need to put the base. That's pretty heavy.
Yes, it's heavy, so in that way it will stay in place.
Yes. So let's change camera anyway. All right. So we set up that part. So we're going to put the power supply, pretty simple. And now the light. And that's the way light works. Yeah, you can see from here. And it has this bar. And it's pretty cool the way it's done. Let me change so you guys can see. So now we're going to put this. And we need to match. And then we twist this. And that's it. And now all right. Oh yeah, this one moves more than the original one, the one we have.
Yes, exactly.
Oh,
and
actually you can go anywhere.
It's bigger. Yeah. Yes, that's what I like a lot. Because if you need to go straight in your face, you can just put it facing the wall, and you will still get light that way. And as we said, it will go from 5% to 100% light.
All right, let's plug it in. All right, so oh yeah,
nice. It's like the sun. Wow. Yeah,
this is
wow, the NS2 is awesome.
So you press one. Yes, that one is full power. So if you let it press,
I know exactly where this one will go.
Yeah, it's not going down now, and that's low. So pretty simple. Then turn it off, press again, and yeah, memorize the last setup I did. So if I want it now all the way up, just hold it there, and now it's full power. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So now to synchronize this, we're gonna do this real time for first time. Normally all this light what I have to do is take the light bulb out and put the light bulb in. Let's say with the smart light bulbs or for the switches, you have to turn it off, turn it on. For this one, we have to turn it off and turn it on 10 seconds space. So I'm gonna use just the plug. So I'm gonna remove. Let's wait maybe about 10 seconds about. Let's plug it in. Let's turn it off again. 3 times. That will be my second time. Let's plug it in again. Let's turn it off again. this way, and that should be the final. So let's see what happened. Maybe I can set the power supply. Oh, okay. Yes, perfect. Like I said, so 10 seconds of space, and that should do it automatically. Now the way to do it is you need to have a smart life. I use a smart life. Pretty simple. In the book, give you an RQ code. What you guys got to do is just scan your RQ code. I already have it here since I'm using a lot of devices. So I have my there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click right there. Let me change camera so I guys show you that. So let me get that a little close. So we are right there. So we're going to go light. So we're going to go light. They ask me if the light is blinking. Yeah. So I'm going to use my guest network. So automatic is connected to the 2.4. Connected. Go back to the application. My application. Okay. So go back to the application. The password is here for my guest network automatically. That will be for your router. We click OK, and it should detect it in few seconds. And the same time, it should be detected by Alexa too. If you already did, I know because it stopped blinking. If the only thing you need in Alexa, you need to get this smartest skill for a smart life. So you need a skill for a smart life in Alexa, and it's done. That's it. It's set. So this is going to go into my living room. Done. And off. On.
Excellent.
So let me change camera.
And you can set a timer, correct?
I can set all kind of things. Yes.
Excellent.
Yeah. So, and Google should automatically detect it. The secret for this is you need to get. You see, Alexa already detected. Oh, I know. I already spoke over. That's why. All right. So I'm set. Already renamed it. I renamed the original name. I call it this one. I call it floor light. In my case, I don't know. I always remember about light. So if I got an application and I'm going to swap the screens, we can see, and this is white light. We can see dim this out, dim all the way down. Yeah, and that's perfect for me. I can go into the application here, and I can schedule now. I can go my schedule and set my schedule when it comes on and when it comes off. So if I go to Alexa now, Alexa, turn off float light. Okay. Okay, Google, turn on float light.
Sure, turning the floor light on. The device named front light.
See? We're both talking there. So automatic. You see, I did this real time. I didn't make any changes on my Google. Automatic knows because it's already synced with the application is Smart Life. They already comes up part of the manual. Pretty simple. Perfect for my living room. And actually, she says she wants to get another one for the bedroom.
I was absolutely thinking of it. Yes, seriously. That's what happens all the. Well, yeah.
The whole house is smart. We got
because-
plugs everywhere. Everything becomes smart
Listen,
here.
because first, think about it. The design goes with everything. It
Yeah.
doesn't take much space.
Yep.
It's smart. It gives you the amount of light that you need. What else do you want?
That's it.
There you go.
Yep. Now I'm gonna say that. So tomorrow morning comes on. Seeing the day now becomes a little shorter now. You know, falls is coming. So
And you know what?
just a
You
shorter.
notice that the light is a little bit like the sun?
Yes, warm light. It's 3,000 kelvins.
I
So
love
that's pretty cool.
I love it.
All right. To get one of these cool lights for you, just go and
Click the link below.
Click the link below with. And we always got a lot of things in the channel, so we're coming up with a lot of more smart devices for the channel.
Yes.
All right.
Everything's becoming
Bye.
super smart. Bye.